can be upset with yourself, if you can be mad at yourself, if you could be angry at yourself, then why can't you celebrate yourself? I mean, the least you can do is be proud of yourself and be proud of who you are. You know, sometimes we just get so in a moment to like, why am I not doing this, or how am I not doing this, or how am I not doing that, that we don't take the time to celebrate ourselves. The most special and important person to you is you. You're amazing. You're special. Celebrate yourself. Yes, you're gonna have down days. Yes, you're gonna have days where you may be upset and tired and angry. I mean, you can have that. Those are emotions. But don't just have those days every single day. Be proud of yourself the one day. Celebrate yourself the next day. Be amazing the day after that. Because you are amazing. You're special and you're important. But you focus on everybody else so much, and you focus on what you don't have so much, that you don't focus on what's in between you. Because you're special. And then once you finally open up, be proud of yourself, and celebrate yourself, all of the small stuff will come soon. Whatever you may want, whoever you may want to meet, whatever you may want to do or experience, none of that can start if you don't be proud of yourself.